have oysters right now?
We do.
Oh, let me have that whole oyster. That one.
A whole order for a dozen oysters?
Yes, a whole dozen oysters.
Okay.
What you getting?
Did you guys got like a popcorn shrimp?
I do.
Can I get the popcorn shrimp?
Popcorn shrimp basket?
What you prefer?
Out of what? Everything?
Yeah.
I like the grilled mahi tacos. That's my favorite.
I don't really eat fish. And what else do you have?
We have a little bit of everything. Do you want
How
to
about fries? How about burgers?
burgers? My favorite's the Baja avocado.
With avocado?
Do you like breakfast burgers? Eggs on your burgers?
Yeah. Which one is that?
Breakfast burgers?
Let me get that then.
Okay.
Yeah, breakfast burger.
Can I get
What it
one of
comes
those
with?
too?
Yeah. How would you like it cooked?
No, I was gonna get one or two.
Huh?
No, I'm gonna order one too.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
How would you like it cooked?
Well done.
Well done. Okay.
Mm, I don't want mine well done.
Want medium well?
Medium.
Okay, medium. Okay, and a dozen oysters?
Does it come with sides or anything?
French fries?
Okay.
Sounds good. Alright, I'll get that right in for you guys.
Thank you.
My
Cool.
pleasure.
So let's see what we got left. I guess that's good for now.
Thank you, now.
Right out. You're welcome.
Makes it twice as fun.